Hello friends, welcome to Free Cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we will discuss about a new project which is called Pug. What is Pug? Metaverse and cryptocurrencies are the most advanced and the most innovative innovations of the trade decade. These two innovations are the result of technological development and developed by many developments globally. And even now, developers can develop metaverse and combine it with cryptocurrencies, which will make the metaverse platform more modern and profitable for all its participants. And this is what Pug has to offer, namely an entry level metaverse space developed for global users. By combining the concept of metaverse with cryptocurrency, Pug presents a metaverse platform that not only allow user to be able to do activities like in the real world, but also earn from their activities. Because Pug provides features that will allow user to generate revenue from the various features provided. So this can be a new source of income for users. By launching on BSC, Pug will offer user a metaverse platform with a transaction system that is faster, secure and low fees compared to the Ethereum chain, so that the user do not need to think about high fees to their transactions. Pug features. Pug is a metaverse platform combined with the cryptocurrency. The feature offered by the Pug enable user to feel, be entertained and socialize with other user. User will be able to experience a virtual world that will allow them to build a bar, play games, etc. But that's not all. There are several other features of Pug. Play to earn metaverse game. User will be able to experience virtual life with 3D graphic like the Cyberpunk game. User will be able to explore various places on Pug. Generate revenue. Not only providing an experience like in the real world, Pug provides an opportunity for user to earn by generating electricity for the city, staking, etc. This way will increase the interest of the players to continue playing Pug. GameFi model. With the GameFi model, Pug will be game that will empower its player and players can take advantage of various existing features to maximize their income. Tokenomics. As a metaverse platform combined with the crypto, Pug will launch a cryptocurrency that will facilitate user transactions on the platform. The Pug platform allows users to earn this token through supported exchanges. This coin, known as the PUGG token, are utility token that can be used of various things such as a source of energy, buying goods, staking, exclusive events, etc. This is the native token of Pug which will continue to support the development and the operations of the platform. Hope you will enjoy the short review of Pug. Meet you again with new another bounty project. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.